So I got this 2005 Saturn from this tow yard, and it's hot as fuck right now. And the air blows. Right now it's blowing. Fucking blows. The second I fucking start this bitch, the air fucking shuts off. Radio comes on. My bad. But the fucking air shuts off. 99,000 miles. Air turns on. Air shuts off. Air turns on. Air shuts off. 2005 Saturn. Anybody got a fucking... I checked all the fuses under the hood. We're all good. I don't know what the fuck is going on with this shit. It's hot as fuck. Feels good when it's off. Start this motherfucker. Ain't shit going on. So, anybody want to help me out with this?